Halo sahabat Rasya, bertemu kembali di Rahmat Agung Channel. Kali ini Abang Rasya mau pergi jalan-jalan berenang nih sahabat Rasya. Kita lagi ada di Transera Water Park di Harapan Indah Bekasi. Oke sahabat Rasya, kita lihat keseruannya yuk Abang Rasya berenang di kolam renang. Oke, jangan kemana-mana, check it out. Nih dia sahabat Rasya nih, Transera Water Park. Ramai sekali. Nih Abang Rasya, Abang Rasya. Oh, dia sahabat Rasya mau berenang. Ramai sekali sahabat Rasya. Transera Water Park di Harapan Indah Bekasi. Ramai sekali. Abang Rasya mau berenang. Iya bang. Oh sahabat Rasya nih, Abang Rasya lagi main.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Wah, belajar berenang Abang Rasya. Ini ada, wah dinosaurus apa ular nih? Wah ini ular. Gambar ularnya.
Foto kita, foto ini. Kita foto.
Ramai sekali sahabat Rasya. Nih tuh, seru main perosotannya, mantap.